Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Jira versus Notion. Let's explore their core functionalities and help you decide which platform best suits your team's needs. Jira is primarily built for software development, offering robust project tracking and agile methodologies. Notion, on the other hand, provides a highly versatile workspace for documentation, notes, and general project management. Understanding these fundamental differences is key to making an informed decision for your organization. Jira truly shines in structured project management, especially for software development teams. It offers unparalleled capabilities for issue tracking, bug resolution, and implementing agile frameworks such as Scrum and Kanban. With its powerful reporting features and customizable workflows, teams can meticulously manage complex projects, track progress with precision, and integrate seamlessly with dozens of development tools, ensuring every task is accounted for and efficiently moved forward. Notion stands out for its incredible versatility and adaptability. It functions as an all-in-one workspace, allowing teams to create dynamic notes, comprehensive wikis, and flexible databases for virtually any purpose. Its drag-and-drop interface and hundreds of templates empower users to build custom dashboards and content management systems. This flexibility makes Notion ideal for diverse teams seeking a unified platform for documentation, knowledge sharing, and general project oversight. Ultimately, the best tool depends on your specific requirements. If your team is deeply involved in software development, requiring strict agile methodologies and detailed issue tracking, Jira is likely the more suitable option. However, if you need a highly flexible, all-encompassing workspace for documentation, general project management, and collaborative content creation, Notion offers unmatched adaptability. Evaluate your team's core functions and scale to make the most effective choice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.